Hi guys, charity shop gold or garbage. Keynsham today, Friday the 29th of April. That didn't come from a charity shop. That didn't come from a charity shop, but that did. Now, I spotted this, recognised it. £2 was more than I wanted to pay, but I wanted to buy it. If you're unlucky enough to have watched all my videos, I found something like this in one of my friends' junk piles. They were moving out of their house and I was clearing it out for them, or helping clear it out, and I found one of these all rusted up and I didn't know what it was. But this is what it was. Spinner battery operated motor for garden ornaments, perfect for indoor and outdoor use, requires a D cell not included. So on, not a lot happening, even though there is a battery in it, so we can assume that one's dead. It does just happen that I've got one that's okay as far as I know. So if we put that in, still nothing happening. Okay. So we might have to do a disassembly on this if we can get it apart. Why isn't that working then? Doesn't look like there's any particular corrosion on there, even though it was a bit iffy. And that wire there has got to line up. Nothing much happening. Where was that wire? That wire. I think that's what the problem is. I don't think that's lining up properly. You have to directly connect a battery, aren't you? Yeah, let's get a bit of wire. Right. We're switched on. Still nothing happening. You mean I paid £2 for it and it doesn't work at all? Oh, that's a bit naughty. Right, okay. So why aren't you working? Well, before we finish that, I'll just mention the other two things. I spotted that CM3 is the name of the shop. Does cheap stuff. It's not as cheap as Panglan, but similar. Notice this reduced to 59p. It's for putting your beach and garden umbrella in the ground. I have seen them before with the top snapped off, where people have tried to grind them into the ground and they just aren't strong enough. So I wouldn't have bought it apart from the 59p price tag. I thought, yeah, I'll take it with us when we go on holiday, see if it works, but I do expect it to snap. And then these, we have used them in the past. It's a clear plastic flower, sticky backed and sticky front. You stick it in the window with the sticky back, and then you peel the cover off the front, and the front is then sticky and the flies stick to it. So it's a convenient way of catching flies. I think there's 2 in a pack. Conveniently, they have the label over it. Oh, 3 in a pack. Oh, that's all right, because summer is coming, so we'll stick a few of them up. They do look a bit unsightly if they're in clear view, because when they got loads of flies stuck to them, they're quite unpleasant. But they do the job. Anyway, let's take this apart, see if we can find out what's wrong with it. First, we'll just check the battery. I think we can see that, yeah. Okay, 1.5 volts, so should be okay. Check the other one. Gosh, even better voltage in that one, even though it's all corroded on the bottom. I didn't expect that. Do that again. Yeah, that one's got more voltage in it than that one has. I was about to throw that out. So, why is it not working? I'm pretty sure it's that bit of wire isn't making contact properly. Yeah, that's making contact with the bottom okay. Oh, I think I can hear the motor running. Yeah, I could actually feel it then, the motor. I'm sure the motor started running then. Let's see if we can bend that bit of wire somehow. Need 3 hands. Yeah, I can hear the motor. So has it got some sort of clutch mechanism? I can hear the motor, but it's not turning. Right, I'll do what I was going to do anyway, take it apart. Well, I've got to say I'm a little disappointed that they've sold that and it doesn't work. Oh, you can see what's wrong with it there. That slipped out of its hole and the rubber band's come loose, so we should be able to just put that back in place. I have to take it apart to do it. And I've done it. That's popped it in place. So now working. So that's that end sorted, but clearly that bit of wire there isn't lining up with that metal surface there for some reason. Right, try this again. No, it's still not lining up. Oh, there we go. So we're close. How about if we turn that 180 degrees? Got it. That was a lot of fuss. But that's the original battery back in there, because it had more power than the one that I had. Right. Well, we'll give them the benefit of the doubt and say maybe the gear had dropped off its spindle when it had been dropped on the floor in the shop or something. So that's certainly working now. Well, there we are, working. That might be handy for demonstrating some of my builds. Because those two things there I picked up in a charity shop, they're solar powered turntables, and I use them now for demonstrating when I've built something. So that will be a handy addition to my demonstration equipment.
Oh, it's definitely not that way. Has it got a label inside? Because sometimes the label goes flat, doesn't it?
That's the split there, so you'd think that goes.
Yes, I know. Yeah. Someone gave me some advice. I wore a big hat like that at my daughter's wedding. Just tilt it slightly. No, don't put it right on an angle, just slightly. And it makes an awful lot of difference. Yeah. Yeah. The front's turned up.
Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.